How to withdraw money from Z-Lake. Now, first things first, Z-Lake is actually available via Google Play, Android, or via iOS Store. All you have to do first before doing this method is make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the app. And withdrawing funds that you have from your Z-Lake wallet is very easy. Log in into the application and then just simply find the wallet or account section that says transactions. This is where you can view your current balance, specifically your withdrawable amount balance. For you to be able to withdraw it, you can simply add or verify banking details and then simply enter the specific amount and how much you would like to withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal and you're good to go. And that is how easy you can withdraw money from Z